Hello again, my fellow battle brawlers. I am back with another quick unboxing. I am going to be unboxing the new Baku tin. It has got one mystery Bakugan and Darkest Sectonoid. However, we do know what the two mystery Bakugan that come in this are. There is supposedly an Aquas Trox, or not Aquas Demork Ultra in here, or a Darkest Shark Tar Ultra, and I do believe there's also a chance at a Ventus guy. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna get into this good old tin here, and then I'll have something to put my evolution stuff in. So I'm gonna get into this. Just gonna cut into this plastic here. For those of you wondering, this will probably be the only one of these tins I will buy, because I only need like one tin per season. I have like one tin from Battle Planet, and that was our Armored Alliance, and that was that gold tin. The gold tin that comes with just the random Battle Planet guys. Alright. Cool. Let's close out little slots for the Bakugan. Right on the top. And that's got Leonidas on the side of that. That's awesome as heck. It's got Warrior Whale. It's got this. It's too bad it doesn't have Dragonoid on there. I would have loved to see a picture of Drago on there. Cool. What the heck? Yo, there's two Bakugan in there. I can feel more Bakugan in there than just... Oh no, it's just the plastic covering. Okay, I'm just imagining crap. It's probably just the plastic covering. And then we got the Sectonoid in there. Cool, we got that stuff. Put these guys aside for now. Yeah, it was just this plastic covering. Yeah, me and my imagination. And it is Aquas Demork. I do not know if I have this in my collection now, so I don't think I do. Because I don't think they made a copy of him until now, so. Cool. So let me close this guy up when I get a chance. So sick, bear with me guys, it's been a while since I've closed Demork. Uh-oh, he came faulty. One of his clips are broken. And it wasn't even from me, I'm not even joking. His closing mechanism is broken. Wow. What a cheap freaking thing. Are you serious? That's gotta be like one of the lamest things I've ever seen in my life. I'm pretty sure it's broken. Like it didn't even come in good condition, so I'm like kind of wondering if maybe it's broken. I hope it's not. I got him closed. Holy crap. That took a minute. I thought it was broken. Covering underneath kind of dents that inside, so that's kind of dumb. It's an old 6-pack, but that's all right. But I'm gonna get into the cards now. Okay, so sorry, it's taking a minute. Holy. Plastic wrapping sucks sometimes. Alright, so we got both cards. So we got these gate cards right here with Titan King and then Dragonoid versus Hyenix. There we go. Right on. Just gonna make sure that I can angle this a little better. Cool. Actually, you know what? I need cores for the Enoch. Before I even get into the cards, I guess I should get into the cores, shouldn't I? So we got fists. We got... And then shields. Okay, so we got an orange shield plus 400B for Aquas and Pyrus. Right on. We'll actually put that over there for now. Put this there. Then we got a green fist, and it says plus 100B and then plus 3 damage for Darkus and Ventus. We'll put that there. And then we got a Helix shield. It says plus 600B minus 3 damage. Down there. Then we got plus 150B plus 1 damage. Green fist. And put that bad boy right there. And then we got the cards. We got Demork Ultra 900B 1 damage. Right on, I'll put that in the sleeve, the slot thing there. Then we got Sectinoid, 900B, 1 damage, plus 200B on a green fist. That's awesome. And you know, it's weird. They're both 901. That's funny. Right on, there we go. Now we're going to get into the Gans themselves. Starting with Demork. 3. Wait, let's make sure I got his arrow right. So there it is. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl. Demork Stand. There is Aqua's Demork Ultra right here. Hopefully I can get him closed again because he was causing me some issues before. Let me try this. Let me make sure I can. Oh, come on now. There we go, perfect. Got him closed the first try. One sec, guys. Press that bottom tray here. And I do need to put these back in there. Because it just doesn't look that way. Whatever. And then we have Sectinoid, so we'll get this out of the way. We got Sectinoid here. We're gonna roll him out. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl. Ooh, shoot, nope. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl. Sectinoid Stand. Right on. Now I got Darkest Sectinoid in my collection. I actually have a Pyrus one to unbox. It's in a 5-pack thingy-majig or whatever. Later on, at some point. I don't know when I'll be unboxing that, but later on. Yeah, this is really cool. I love the new Darkest Bakugan. They look really cool. I love the new purple on it. It looks really good. The green on it. The green kind of, you know, the green almost reminds me of like glow in the dark stuff, and that closes really, really easy. That's actually really cool. And we'll roll them out one more time. Just one sec. Just gotta make sure my he opened up on the tin. I just had to make sure my. What was that? Sorry about that. I dropped my phone. That was not supposed to happen. But it's just I was making sure my game wouldn't lag out so that I don't get kicked out of the session. But there we go. Sectinoid Bakugan. Right on. New guy to my collection. Right on. Put him in there. But anyways, peace out for now. comment, like, subscribe. I will be back with more unboxings and stuff for the future and stuff, because you know me, I have to do more unboxings of my good old Bakugan. But anyways, until next time, peace out for now, and Bakugan Brawl! I'm up out of here for now, and yeah, that's it for this. This is so cool. I like the new tin. I like the Leonidas on the side. That is actually really cool. I like that. I'm actually kind of glad I picked this tin up. But anyway, until next time, peace.